Somebody way push the worry need a select toilet. May for no go disgrace yourself untimely. I know well like that. Say no matter how motor speed reach for movie, you need a jam with the watch up. No, not be joke, seriously. If you get big head, you need to go size cap. Say they go test cap for market because if it spoil, you go pay. And person will get big teeth must get big lip to cover them. Now, I know well, normally, naturally. I see no reason why a man would take a lady out and ask her a simple question. Small question. Baby, what would you like to eat? It don't cause problem. You go see the women can form where you go feel form finish now. What would you like to eat? Sit again. For one question. Baby, I don't want to eat much. I just want to keep my mouth busy with suya 2.5. Are you a vulture? You won't keep your mouth busy. You don't tell me mouth buying sugar cane 400. It annoys me seriously. See, me, I don't tell myself, say marriage, the way people marry this year. I just say Corona been there now. Where then they gather do this marriage? Me now go come there now. Say I want marry now. I don't know who I want marry. Oh, but me, Kelvin Briggs, now Lumba girl go marry finally. I swear down. Because our marriage go there very simple and cheap. You know, say they need a chop meat. So meat, money down. You know, say they need to wear shoe. So no need to buy. I could just leave her. You know, say the only thing when they say, I go just me and my wife, we go just go market, buy China white for 400. Where? And me and she acquire radio. As we enter the church, you go here. Beleku bam bam bambe. Marriage don't settle. I swear down. And I beg, if you be thief, you must see your hand. Bless a group of armed robbers did that way. I say they love to observe your pocket, before you go no, only your pouch you go carry go house. Your real phone don't lost. The new style when they don't they stiff now. You go to the inside your house, they sleep. Peaceful sleep, nice sleep normal. You go to the ear for your net. You go feel say they do welding work somewhere. You know, no say somebody carry razor blade, they tear your net. Go come carry pack a tie for stick. Shook him inside the window. They call that one window shopping. As he shook the packer, that packer gets strength. If they carry TV, they go fetch your phone. They need to forget the charger. They go find your charger, carrier. Oh, but people wicked though. I don't know what happened. Me, I grow up for job somehow, in a way. Somehow growth. For Dio, but not well, normally. One guy what can't live waiting go do. Say one go thief for one bouncer house. And you know, say this bouncer get louvers glass. You know the louvers glass where they raise up, bring down. Only in waka. Reach there. Carry in hand. Shook inside louvers glass when lights not dey the room. As he put a hand inside, the bouncer can't hold a hand inside the house. Now this guy they outside, the bouncer they inside the house. You know that kind of argument? As they argue like that, the bouncer can't drag the guy and go right. Before we know, drag and go left. The guy won't shout. Now the owner of the house, the beggar, no shout, because if he shout, they go catch you. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for yourselves in the house there. Things they happen seriously. When I just forget and leave them. Me, I don't find, I thank God I'm a graduate. When Bros Julius come, Uniport, come carry us. Oh, God. No, we are stand as a graduate. But we are moving forward, may for no loss. I find admission, tire. For 12 years, I find admission. Even my mother can't join me. They do dry fasting for my head. They pray, Father, any admission, give my pikin. She pray. 3 they admit me for hospital. I can't carry phone, call my mother. I say, hello, mommy. I don't get admission. No. She said, where? I say, mommy, for school, for hospital. She said, my son stay there herself in a medical school. Eh? Life. My brother, leave him. My just ask 1 or 2 questions and then we'll move forward quickly. Now Christmas we did. Anybody will get rice, get onion, you don't blow. Ma, just ask her. Sorry, I know well. You know how to cook very well, right?
Yes.
Try. The way your voice sounds, your soup goes sweet, oh. Okay, more just here with more just know what thing that happen. Normally, if we cook soup, natural soup, if salt too much, we go say the soup is too salty. No be so. If pepper come too much, we go say it's too peppery. Now, my problem is if we cook this soup, onion come too much, what do we go talk? It's too onion cha. Say it's too onion cha. Nice. Senior man, I greet you, sir. No worry. I never hear your heart won't come off for your shirt. No reason. There's a person who get bad head, and then they give a combo. Na insult. Bros. Advice, I don't want to enter you, Abby. Want to join a club now? And I need to encourage person who nowhere. Bros, seriously, now. Somebody from Mexico is called the Mexican. I just want to know, normally. Person away from Jericho, where to go call him? Talk now, talk one. Jerichonian. He be deaf and dumb. This thing when you just talk now, I remind me of for Job, 2 deaf and dumb join court. Mark climb up, explain and go drop the mic. Che! Okay, no vessel. But they wonder how you want to understand this joke now. Okay, as they talk, they explain for them with sign language. As I say, 2 deaf and dumb join court. 2 deaf and dumb join court. Now, imagine 2 deaf and dumb will join court. The 2 of them, they won't challenge each other. They won't wait there. And you don't say, when you never join court, you go there normal. But as they say, you are now a member of this confraternity. One of your hand go short past one. The one wait there, you can't challenge that one. Man, you are deaf and dumb. Join court. The one where they decide, when they challenge and back, say, wait. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Kelvin Briggs.